What is up? We are installing a spoiler right now. Honestly, I don't 100% know where to begin. I guess we gotta go ahead and take off this one here, the little flimsy OEM one, and we will be installing this one. Ta-da! So this is a paint matched spoiler, and it's kind of hard to tell without, you know, having it really in the light, but it is very, very similar to the paint on the car. It is a bit scratched and like there's some adhesive on there, but that should polish out. If not, it's not the end of the world. We'll see how we like it. Should look a little something like that. Just a nice little lip on it. This was I think it was $52 on eBay. First thing we're gonna have to do is just take off this spoiler. We are gonna do it with very high quality tools. We got a heat gun and some fishing line. Hopefully it works. But I'm basically gonna start by just heating up like one section and pulling the fishing line through at a time. We cut ourselves a piece of fishing line, which we're gonna be able to just kind of, you know, work like that. And then we also have the heat gun right here. Looks like we're getting a little bit off here. I'm actually gonna throw on some gloves because that fishing line kind of hurts. Okay, so I made this device here, fishing line on 2 picks, so that way my hands don't hurt, and I hope it works. We got a visitor. Oh, he's right there. He's scary. Hello, sir. Interesting orientation. I had the GoPro propped up there, so I was like, move the car this way.
So at this point of the install, Garrett and I are essentially putting a rag underneath the spoiler to stop the adhesive from re-sticking, and at the same time one of us is heating it up while the other is essentially prying underneath it and also pulling a fishing line through it to remove the rest of the adhesive.
As of right now, we've gotten a good bit off from this side, but since this is really prone to splitting in the middle from the adhesive, we're going to go ahead and start on this side and do fishing wire, and then basically do the same thing with the pry tool until we get towards the middle, and then we'll figure it out from there. Be able to heat it up. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. That's it, buddy. Oh, she's done, bud.
Canadian now?
Yeah, bud.
Oh, bud.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Home stretch. I can smell it.
Burning?
Yeah, that
Come on.
smells like clear coat on this.
There it goes. Oh my gosh, that looks awful.
Not great. This one's everything I expected.
I gotta clean it after anyways.
Oh yeah. That's wet.
Now we're letting like the adhesive on here actually soak, and hopefully be able to get it off. I mean, there's paint missing here. It's not the end of the world. It's gonna get covered up.
But yeah, I mean, I think it's coming along pretty good. So Garrett got a lot of the adhesive off. There is paint missing here from the dang adhesive that was on the spoiler. Whatever.
So right now Garrett's actually doing a light polish on the entire trunk, so that way we can hopefully get it really flat for the new spoiler to sit on. We did have to use a lot of Goo Gone, and that stuff constantly got slung around, so this did take a little while, but if you want that really flush finish, then this is probably the right way to do it.
So Garrett's lining up the adhesive on here. This man is really, really good at what he does. He is. He's being modest. He's good.
Just winging it, literally.
No pun intended.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's good. See that? How nice is that? Yep. Just press down there.
Don't go nowhere. I'll be happy. We're gonna have to see how this holds up when we go the speed limit. Make it rain.
I like the way this stuff smells.
So as I mentioned earlier, this was a really cheap spoiler, and the paint's not perfect. There were a lot of scratches, so Garrett's basically just going back over this again with a light polish and getting it kind of cleaned up for us.
So the spoiler is on. It looks really, really good. Really OEM plus. Oh yeah. Fun little mod. Oh, okay. I'm done. Car's clean enough. Spoiler. It looks great. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty damn good. Little rear shot. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks way better. It was so dirty, especially like whenever we went to the mountains. Like there's still some water there, but like the brakes like just completely covered the front wheels in dust. Like they were like a dark gold, not even anywhere close to this color. But yeah, I mean, oh man, I need to go back and re-dry this. I'm gonna go do that. You guys enjoyed the video? If you guys found it helpful, you know, feel free to let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I mean, it's not that difficult. Honestly, I can't say anything. This would have turned out 10 times worse had Garrett not been here polishing the trunk and, you know, helping get all that adhesive off. He really came in very clutch there. Yeah, so huge thank you to him. He's a real one for that. Yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you like the car, let me know what you think. Catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you Drop a like and subscribe. Peace.